Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on using the tool EdPuzzle. So EdPuzzle is a great way of assigning videos to students to watch for references or for resources or for just learning materials if you're doing a flipped classroom, while also giving you a way to track the progress and check for understanding along the way. So first, I'm walking through logging in or signing up. So to sign up, you just go to sign up, you select teacher, and it'll ask you which login method you want to choose. Fairly simple to get your first account. So if I say I'm a teacher, say I'm Google, I'll use an account that does not already have an EdPuzzle associated with it. I can create my own password. And say I agree. Then it lets you choose the school you want to associate with. So I'll put my school's name. If a student logs in by accident, it gives an option to log back out again. Log in, say yay, and I can choose what grade I teach. So I'll say I teach 11th grade. Say 10th grade, that's my mean age. I choose what subject I want to teach. So I teach Spanish. I can add more if I teach others, so I can add more as I go, or I can just come back later. So I go to start teaching. This gives me my page here. After that, it becomes very simple. So I'm going to switch over to my other account that's already been set up. So we're at my school account. So you see over here on the side, you can see I already have my classes added because it's very easy to synchronize your classes with EdPuzzle. So you say add a class. You say, okay, I can connect pre-existing classes I have using any of these platforms. So if I say, okay, I'm going to connect my Google Classroom page, it gives me, because now it's synced to my Google account, it shows me all the Google Classroom pages I'm a part of. All I have to do is select one, and I just say import the classes at the end. So if I choose a group that is here, I say, okay, what grade level they are, just to make sure everything's great. So, okay, 11th grade. Subject, these are Spanish. I just say import classes. Now it should give me a list of all the students who are a member of that class. Without having to have any login information for the students, it's already set for them already. So if I go to, this is where it comes in place. If I go to Discover, I can search for a YouTube video that I want my students to watch. So for example, if I say, okay, I'm going to look up a video on Afro-Latinos. Okay, there's all these options, and if you notice they have these little teardrop icons, those tell you how many questions or notes this video has. I can preview the video. It also shows YouTube videos without their ads, which is great for showing videos in class. But you can also preview, say, okay, as the students are watching the video, it will stop them and have them answer questions along the way. And I can either edit the video, so I can edit the questions, I can copy this my own, or share a preview with other teachers, or assign it. See, my assign is full because I'm using the free version, which still gives me a lot of options. So I say, okay, I've reached storage limit, but that means I already have 20 videos in my account. So at any point, I can decide, all right, I don't want these videos. I just say, delete this video, delete the content, and it's gone. Now I have space for another video. Or it moves the video that I already had saved and just moves it up there. So even if I have a video that is unable to be assigned, I can still copy it over and then assign it once I delete other videos. If I do assign a video for students, it will show up. I just say, okay, assign video, and I can have either as a live mode video, which is where I show it to the students in the live classroom, where we can watch the assignment as we go, or I can assign it as homework, which means it will show up for them on their Google Classroom page. Which you see here, I go to Google Classroom where they had an assignment where they said, okay, Afro-Latino identity. That showed up, the exact video showed up on their Google Classroom page. So I can assign a video, which is great when you have students out of the classroom. They can come back and watch the video on their own. For example, I showed this video in class, but I had a few students who were out for picture day, and so they were able to go back on their own and pick up where they left off, or just watch it on their own time. It saves the progress as they go. Also, this shows me, okay, when did they finish and what their progress was. So if they said that they had not finished yet, it would say has not finished, incomplete, and needs to turn it in. I can also assign it as a grade. It does show me as well, okay, I have videos that have not fully graded yet. So I say, okay, here's a video that has not finished grading. As you go through and say, okay, what questions need to be checked on? I can also go back as a teacher and say, okay, what assignments are they struggling with? What are they doing well? And how can I help them with it? Sometimes they just need to struggle with a concept and then you need to review it. And I can update their grade, update due dates at any point on Google Classroom. I can also prevent skipping from videos. They can't just speed through the videos to watch it and try to get credit for it. And I can turn on closed captions if they're available for the students as well. So again, EdPuzzle is a fantastic resource for using for flipped classrooms or even just adding technology to your classroom, as it gives you fantastic ways to monitor student progress as well as provide them resources when they may need some extra assistance or if they just need to watch again on their own time, but also deliver materials in a new way. All right, so thank you for watching.